Hi, I'm Gurleen, and in this video I'm going to introduce you with the pattern of Ielts exam, and also we will briefly understand all the 4 modules. First of all, we'll discuss the time allocation for all the 4 modules. It's 40 minutes for your listening, 60 minutes for reading, 60 minutes for writing, and 11 to 15 minutes for speaking. For the first 3 modules, that is listening, reading and writing, it is 2 hours 40 minutes in total, that is 160 minutes. Whereas when it comes to the speaking exam, it is held on a separate day, and the schedule for this exam is within a span of 7 days, either before or after the main exam date. When we book our exam through the official website of British Council or IDP, the schedule for these 3 modules will be on the single date. Now, first let's discuss the listening. It comprises of 4 sections and 40 questions in total. Please do remember that with every set of 10 questions, the level of difficulty will also be increased, so you need to be mentally prepared for this. Next, an audio clip will be played for 30 minutes and you will have to answer the 40 questions based on that audio clip within the span of 30 minutes. You must be wondering, what if you make a mistake? But you need not worry, as after the end of your 30 minutes, you will get additional 10 minutes to transfer your answers from the question booklet to the answer sheet. Our second module is reading. Reading comprises of comprehension passages having authentic texts gathered from newspapers, magazines and journals. There are 3 sections and 40 questions in all. A variety of question types are covered, mainly the fill-ups, the multiple choice questions, the list of headings and true-false not given. There is a slight difference in the pattern of reading in academic and general. It is very important to note that unlike listening, you won't get any extra time to transfer your answers to the answer booklet. So you need to manage your time very efficiently. Now, the writing module. In writing module, we have 2 tasks, task 1 and task 2. Let's talk about task 1 first. Under task 1 in academic writing, you will get summarized text where you have to write a report based on charts, graphs or diagrams. While in general writing, under task 1, you need to write a letter which can be a formal, informal or semi-formal. Turning to task 2. It is the same for both types of exams, that are academic and general. You need to write an essay, and remember that this carries a higher weightage than that of task 1. Another point is that of word limit. In task 1, you have to write in minimum 150 words, while in task 2, it has to be attempted in at least 250 words. Now let's have a look at the speaking module. It is basically a conversation between the examiner and the candidate. This conversation is divided into 3 sections. Under section 1, the examiner will ask you few of the questions regarding your introduction and some general topic questions. The second section of your speaking includes a cue card. Here the examiner gives you a topic. You have 1 minute to prepare on this topic, and then you have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes, and the examiner is not going to interrupt you in between. The last section of your speaking is that of the follow-ups. Here, based on your second section, the examiner will ask 6 to 7 questions regarding the same topic, and you will have to answer those questions. That's it for the overview of Ielts exam. I'll catch you up in my next video. Till then, study well.